Welcome to Counselor's Soapbox video channel. Today's episode, Learning About Alcohol, Part 10. What causes alcohol use disorder? Well, the public health model suggests three things are needed. The agent, the thing which causes the disease, that's alcohol. The host, the person who has the agent is alcohol. What does alcohol do? Well, it changes the mood. Many people report that drinking alcohol is relaxing. Many others experience alcohol use as pleasant. It works quickly, often within a few minutes, and it is reliable. It works every time. But alcohol has a the host, the human. We need to look at genetic factors. Alcohol dependency does run in families. 50% of the descendants of alcohol are alcoholics. Children of alcohol-dependent people are 400% more likely to become alcohol-dependent. We see a lot of evidence of genetic influences from twin and adoption studies. Used to be that when twins were adopted out, they didn't place both twins with the same family. So we can see the influence of those twins who came from alcoholic families who were placed with non-alcoholic families, and also the effects of further evidence for the role of genetics in the transmission of alcoholism comes from non-alcoholic blood relatives of alcoholics. Those who had an alcoholic relative show less of a reaction, more tolerance to alcohol, even if they have never drunk or drank minimally. Those with a family history of alcoholism need to drink more than their peers. Further evidence of genetics as a factor in alcoholism come from the drinking rats. One strain of rats has a propensity to drink. So it's not just humans that show difference in alcohol usage. Most animals would prefer pure water, but drinking rats prefer water containing alcohol. The neurotransmitters affected by alcohol include dopamine, serotonin, GABA, and the opioid systems. Notice that there are multiple types An example of alcohol's effect on neurotransmitters: those with a D2 type receptor, which comes in multiple alleles, 69% of those with alcohol dependence had one specific. How is familial and non-familial alcoholism different? Well, in the familial form, epigenetics is a new area of research. It's a study of how genes turn on and off. When I was young, I had a gene which produced wonderful dark black hair. But as I grew older, that gene turned, and now it produces white or gray hair. We see this also in people who use drugs and alcohol. We don't know why, but at some point in their use, the gene flips, and rather than being an occasional thing, it becomes. We also need to look at the